So now we're going to set up GitHub. Back in my 1995 university computer class, they always said save early, save often. And that's what GitHub does. It saves your projects for you. ChatGPT tells me that there's about 180 million people who use GitHub. It says there's 630 million repos. Like every company uses it. It's just a common thing. And this is where we're going to save our projects. If you mess up, you can go back to a previous version, that kind of thing. So if you don't already have a GitHub account, you go to github.com and you can follow this through to create an account. And then secondly, you also have to download it to your computer. So go to git.scm.com/install/windows. Click here to download the latest and open it up. And we're just going to choose all the defaults, just let it install. And it's done installing, click finish. And what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to type git commands in the terminal. So git push or whatever like that. But right now, if we do say git status, the term git is not recognized. So we have to put it into our environment variables so it knows where to look. So search for environment variables, edit the system environment variables, click on that. And then under system variables, we'll just install it globally. I don't think it really matters which one you use, as long as you're always using the same username, but we'll just do the system variables. Double click on path, click new, go C drive, program files, git, bin, and then click new again, C drive, program files, git, cmd. Press OK, OK, OK. But now still if we do something like git -- version, it still says it's not recognized. So we're going to have to close completely out of Visual Studio Code and restart it. Now git version. All right, so now it's working. We're going to have to restart our servers because we closed them. So php artisan serve npm run dev. These two always have to be running. Close these guys. Start a new one. And now we can run our git commands. So we'll do git config. We have to configure it with our own GitHub account. -- global user.email. And enter your own email address that you used to set up a Git account. I'll use my test account. Okay. Git config -- global user.name and then your username. Okay. All right, so now that GitHub's all set up, we can save the project we just created to GitHub. So if you go to the home page of github.com, click on the menu, go to repositories, click new repository, and we'll just give it a name, base project build stack, and leave all the defaults, create repository. And we're going to need this address here, so we'll just copy it to the clipboard. Go back to our terminal, and the first command we give is git init. Initialize empty git repository. Next we'll do git add space dot, and then git commit -m means a message, project setup. This description will show up on GitHub. And it's put in all these files. And now we're going to say git remote add origin. And then we're going to paste in that URL we just copied and press enter. Git branch, and this is only what we're going to do the first time we set it up. -m main, and then finally git push -u origin main. Now it's putting it all on GitHub. So now we can check it. If we just refresh this, all of our files are now saved to GitHub. And then say we change something. Let's change the text to blue, say. You can see the text has changed blue. So if we make any changes, this is the process for adding another commit to GitHub. You go git add, git commit -m, and then change color to blue, and then git push. All right, if we go back to it and we open up the file, we see it's blue now. There we go. 2 commits. So this one will have the red, this one will have the blue. And that's it. Now we're saving to GitHub.